What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Let me readjust, and yeah, I'm doing unboxing with y'all real quick. Doing a series of them. So this one, I have to admit, it was a mistake on your boy's part, but won't be the first time, won't be the last time. It's gonna be real quick. As you can see, the size of the box. I don't know if you can't see my feet for the new people, but for the ones that's been here, you know, that's not the right size of the box, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So yeah, we're doing some Air Jordan 1 Lows women's, but you know, I thought I had the right size, but I didn't. So we just gonna let y'all see what goes on. White and gold box. Gold 23s. Let's just get it out the way. Alright. Let's get it out the way. Boom. Thumbnail action. Thumbnail action. Look, so yeah. I don't know. First of all, Lows is Lows, but no, I was rocking them anyway. So you got the black toe with the red and the white. It's kind of like crazy. I didn't honestly think I was gonna keep these. I think it was gonna be like a sale, but I don't know. I was like, let me see them in person. But now I got them. And I just one, they're not my size. Two, I just got so many other shoes like them, so I don't want to diss them, but this is what takes me off, like that 23 right here, which is not a bad feature, but it's not what I'm used to with the AJ1s, lows or mids or highs or whatever. The tongue is just, you know, MJ, Jumpman. You got the original back, you know, so. Okay, can we catch you? All right. No? All right, let's see. All right, there we go. Air Jordan back. That's the original joint. You want those on the back, so solid white. Solid white, I always don't. You gotta keep those clean, and this is the worst part. You step on the shoes over here. This you're gonna be able to keep clean and stuff. This is gonna be a problem because nylon, the shoelace is always a problem, but good colorway, but it's just kind of like, I don't know, not blended together right. But I think they reach with the colors, the Chicago Bull colors all the time. So they called me. I saw them. I was like, oh, let me grab them. And I said, let me grab my size in case I like them. But honestly, I don't really like them. I don't. So. No big deal. And they don't, even if I did like them, they don't fit me. They're size 10 in women, so there's like an 8.5 in men's. So it's not gonna fit right with me. So yeah, they going for the streets, y'all. They for the streets. But you know, be the judge. If y'all want me, you know. I know it's a little fresh on some people, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, just not me. It's all good. All right, yeah, MJ. All right, so that's it. I'd just like to give a special shout out to my daughter. Happy birthday to her. If y'all watching the video this long, man, put that in the comments, man. Wish my daughter a happy birthday. It was yesterday, but her thing is today. But yeah, wish her happy birthday anyway. Gemini season coming along. That's how I know y'all showing love, that y'all watching me to the end. But either way, if y'all don't watch me to the end, it's y'all prerogative, you know. I don't watch everybody else to the end. I watch a lot of people's videos, but some people can't make it to the end. You can't make it to the end with me, that's cool. So again, man, shout out to y'all. Take care of each other. Till y'all next time, long live D-Mac.